Gore's use an almost unbelievable 191,000 kilowatts. Yet Al Gore casually justifies this because he uses green energy that only the rich can afford. That kind of hypocrisy is not confined to the Gores. Actor John Travolta also claims that we should all sacrifice in order that we reduce carbon dioxide emissions. Yet he owns 5 airplanes that he can use to jet around the world, all parked within walking distance of his home in Florida. Listen to what the author of State of Fear and movie producer Michael Crichton says about this hypocrisy during the March 2007 Intelligence Squared debate.
Actually, all anybody really wants to do is talk about it. They don't actually do anything. And the evidence for that is the number of major leaders in climate who clearly have no intention of changing their lifestyle, reducing their own consumption, or getting off private jets themselves. If they're not willing to do it, why should anybody else? Let's have the NRDC, the Sierra Club, and Greenpeace make it a rule that all of their members cannot fly on private jets. They must get their houses off the grid. They must live in the way that they're telling everyone else to live. And if they won't do that, why should we? And why should we take them seriously?
Whether we move left or right or center, the destiny of our country ought to be determined by Americans. And to see our own leaders surrendering that sovereignty to global institution, it seems to me it really approaches a sellout and a betrayal of the Founding Fathers and of the idea for which America was founded.
What you have seen in this video is only a small part of the evidence that the current warming of the Earth is natural. We hope this evidence has helped you understand both sides of this critical issue. We hope you ask yourself why the global warming alarmists try to convince you that the ice core data shows that carbon dioxide levels have controlled the Earth temperature in the past, when most of the time temperature preceded the carbon dioxide levels, or why the troposphere is not warming according to what the carbon dioxide warming theory states it must. Then ask yourself why there is not a good correlation between carbon dioxide levels and the temperature, when there is very good correlation between solar or cosmic radiation levels and temperature. Finally, ask yourself why you are never told that much higher levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide could provide a huge benefit to people in the Earth's environment. On the other hand, there is strong evidence that an elite is using global warming as one of the many tools to impose global governance in the United States and around the world. If successful, this agenda promises to bring wealth and power to a global elite and transnational corporations at a terrible expense to the average person, just like you. We ask that you think hard on the choices that this nation will be making in the near future, and then contact your senator and congressman to let them know what you believe is the right thing to do.